Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake brownie batter bites. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 12 tablespoons of butter and you want that softened to room temperature. 3 cups of dry brownie mix. I'm using the Supreme Triple Chunk by Betty Crocker. Then you need 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 3/4 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of milk, and you can leave it there, but if you want to add some chocolate drizzle or you want to dip them in chocolate, I have some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then I have some heart sprinkles. I have my brownie mix and my flour here in a large bowl, and I just stirred that to combine it. If you are worried about bacteria and you want to heat treat this, you can. I would just remove the chocolate chunks and then spread it out on a cookie sheet and heat it for 5 minutes at 350. Next, we are going to go ahead and beat in the butter, vanilla extract, and milk with an electric mixer until they come together and they're smooth. My batter is all incorporated. I just used my electric mixer for as much as I could, and then I just used a spatula. And you could even use your hand. Just make sure you spray them with cooking spray because this is really sticky. So now we are going to get this covered and into the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes. My dough is done cooling, so I removed it from the refrigerator and used my cookie scoop, and I was able to get 30 of the brownie bites here. And now I'm going to put about a half a cup of chocolate chips with just about a tablespoon of heavy cream. And I'm going to microwave that in 30-second increments until it's nice and smooth. My chocolate is nice and melted, so now I'm just going to drizzle this over some of them and add some sprinkles. Some of them I'm going to leave plain because I think I'd like them better that way. All of my little brownie bites are ready to go. I'm going to pop these in the refrigerator for 10 more minutes so the chocolate can set up, but they look so cute. And I just added some little heart sprinkles to some of them, and I love the way they turned out. Can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. We've got one here for Taste Tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.